Go.
Hi, my name is Lana, and today I will be making rainbow waffles.
I turned it off. Now I am. Okay.
Wow. Okay, just a little more. Some more. And stop. I'm pouring 2 cups of milk into the bowl to make my rainbow waffles. Just dump it in. Okay guys, so now I have some cold water and I'm gonna pour it in with the milk to make my rainbow waffles. So I already put 2 dots in here, so I'm just gonna put 1 more little dot. There we go. And now I'm gonna start with my orange. Open it up. Oh, that was tight. I'll do 2. 1, and then, okay, there we go. Okay, time to use my yellow. That was a really good color. 1, oh, and 2. The yellow one is like really squishy, so it like made a wiggly line.
Nikki, you went Nikki. Okay.
Now I'm gonna start with my green, my dark green. Black and black. Okay, turn this off. Okay. Now I'm gonna do like the greenish blue.
It's like a teal, I believe.
Yeah, I like a teal, I think. So,
Oh.
it's okay. There, we'll just put that off so we can dry it off.
You gotta be careful when you're preparing food, okay?
Okay, put it up. Okay, here. Oh, we'll wipe that off later. Okay, time to do my blue, my sky blue. It's got 2 more colors. 1 and 2. Okay, there we go. Time to do my purple. And then I just gotta do 1 more last color. Is my pink. 1 and 2. It's more dots than this one too. It's actually been more good. That last little dots I made 4. 1. Get that in there. 1 and here we go.
Very good.
So I'm just mixing up with the pink just to make sure that all of them don't have any clumps or none of the white is showing. Now I'm done with the green. And I'm going to do like the teal green. It has a lot in it. So yeah, the teal is like turning good. I like this color. This is a very nice color. So I'm mixing it up. Oh, wow. Oh, there we go. I'll leave that in there. And now
No, here it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
some clumps. Let me just mix that up.
Because the mix has blueberries in it, so just try to mix it so it can be a little more smoother.
Okay. That's
There
teal.
you go.
This teal is really turning out good. Now I'm gonna do the blue. The blue might need a little bit more food coloring. I don't know.
Looks like it's okay.
Oh, it is turning out to a nice color. Look.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Okay, that looks good. Now this must be purple. Yes, it's purple. Ooh, I like purple.
Mm-hmm.
How it's turning out. Let me get some purple on the side. Ooh, this is turning out to be actually like a violet.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh, wow, this is a nice color. Mix it.
I'll get you another
Mix.
for your last one.
Okay.
There you go.
So now I'm using my last spoon for the pink. I love pink.
I
Oh,
think that's
wow.
red. Because you have pink right here.
So what? So this, like this, I put the pink in this, but it's like a pink. It looks like red, but it's still pink. But the red turned out to be like a very light pink. Look at it. That's like very
Oh,
light
yeah.
pink. Like
Well,
that's
keep
a
stirring it and see how dark that comes.
Yeah, cause
Because this is more like a pastel pink, and so.
yeah, maybe we could just switch up the colors. Maybe this could be red or something, but we don't want to see this to still be red because it's like the red really turned out to be like a pink. I
Okay.
really like the pink. This is like a nice color right here.
All
I
right,
like
so we're gonna put these together and put them on the waffle maker as rainbow waffles and see how they turn out.
Children back. I mean, we all tired.
Hi
Go.
guys. So today, now I've been making like my rainbow waffles like you knew, and I've been making them, and I showed you how to make them, but not the whole thing. But you are gonna need food coloring because we got food coloring, and we didn't make all
And
this.
waffle batter
And
or waffle
batter.
mix.
Yeah, because Mars wasn't that thick, but they actually turned out better than we thought. So I'm gonna pick out one of my favorites because I was gonna let you see them all first. And then now this is one of my favorites. This is actually the first one we made. I really like the colors on this one. Let me try to get it because it's at the bottom.
Your fingers are clean. If you can, okay, I was gonna say try to lift it. There you
There we
go.
go.
It
Oh my God,
came
that's
apart a little bit, but it's all going to the same place, right?
Yep. So that's okay. It's going to the aesthetics now. So this is the first one we made, and here are the last ones we made. I think we got them ruined a little. Back them
Yeah, it browned a little bit on the opposite side.
So yeah, and
You did a
here
good
are-
job,
Yep,
Chef
and-
Lana.
Yes, these are one. This is one of my favorites. This big purple one, isn't it so fair? Like it is so bad.
And that one
here's
is cute.
another one.
Different
Like,
color. It's like tie dye,
Yeah,
where the colors
all
mixed
the
in.
colors
Mhm.
and stuff. So subscribe to my channel and tell me if you really like this, and tell me. So subscribe to my channel, and if I might make rainbow pancakes. So subscribe to my channel if you want me to make rainbow pancakes. Bye.
Bye.